Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the system. Charge the case and earbuds until the case LED indicates sufficient battery. Once done, place the earbuds back in the case and open the lid. This forces them into pairing readiness so they advertise a connection. Meanwhile, on your phone or device, turn Bluetooth on and make it discoverable. This prepares your device to accept the Tozo T10 as a new peripheral, reducing connection delays and ensuring a clean handshake. You remove both earbuds from the case to actively trigger pairing mode. You'll hear a prompt or see the earbuds LEDs flash. Next, on your phone, scan for devices and locate Tozo T10 in the list. Select it. Your phone initiates the Bluetooth pairing handshake, exchanging necessary profiles for audio and call functions. Stay near the source device during this step to avoid interference, and wait for the confirmation tone or a paired status on your screen before continuing. You confirm proper stereo by playing audio and checking left and right balance in your device settings. Test the mic with a quick call or voice memo. If pairing fails, reset the earbuds by holding their touch areas or physical buttons for about 10 seconds with the case open, which clears previous pairings. Once reset, repeat pairing. If problems persist, make sure your phone's Bluetooth firmware is up to date and move away from crowded wireless environments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.